In this video, I'm going to show you how to still use TikTok even though it's banned in the United States. Sadly, all of the data from your TikTok account is in a US data center. Even if you use a VPN, you cannot access your existing data right now. But there are ways around that to still create content on TikTok. So what we need is a VPN. That's the very first thing we need. We don't want to use an American VPN. We want to route all of our internet traffic through a very independent country, which isn't going to follow suit at a later date. I decided to use Sao Paulo in Brazil. It's in Latin America. I don't think it's going to be banned there, at least anytime soon anyway. I chose Brazil. I don't really know why, it's pretty random. What I'm going to do now, all of our internet traffic is routed through a Brazilian server. I'm going to go to TikTok and make sure that we're not banned. So right now the address I used seems to be banned. I'm going to switch to a different country. And this IP address looks pretty good. We can still access TikTok. We're good to go. If you don't have a VPN, I recommend NordVPN. It's very good. I'll put a link in the description below. If you go through the link, you get a percentage off. So get started now. It's very useful in situations like these. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to create a new Google account. The reason I'm doing that is because I need a Google Play account in the country that we're accessing from. I may need to switch my language to English at some point. So let's go to English United Kingdom, then we know what we're doing. Okay. My name's going to be Brazil. Okay, so we've created a Google account here, so that's automatically going to create as a Google Play account. The next thing we want to do is open your phone and go to Google Play Store. We want to add a Google account to your phone or Play Store on your phone. So we're going to put in this account we just created. Now we're going to need to put a phone to verify our account here. It doesn't matter if you switch the country on this, it's no problem at all. They basically just want to confirm that you have a phone, and for some reason that makes you a real person. I'm not sure why. Okay, so I've now added the Google account to my phone. I'm ready to install the TikTok app. Before I do that, I'm just going to create a new TikTok account. I guess you can do that via the app, but I'm going to do it via the website since I'm already logged into the VPN. So I'm just going to tiktok.com. I'm going to create a new account. You can see a very specific statement here, which pretty much explicitly says your data is going to be located and stored in Brazil. You can change this at a later date if you want to. I'll show you towards the end of the video. So we're just going to put in our information here, email, password, etc., and just create a new TikTok account here. So now you can see we're logged into our brand new TikTok account. We have it up and running. There's no problems at all. So now all of our data is in a different data center. We have our account linked to a Brazilian data center. We can access TikTok as normal. So we can just load up NordVPN on our phone, VPN to pretty much any country which is outside of America that's not banned by TikTok anyway. And then we can just create our TikTok videos as normal and pretty much do live streams, become a creator again, and anything else. So if you go to your profile, you can actually change where your data is located. You can see a Brazilian. So if you go to manage your account, you can actually change the country where your data is saved to. Right now we're in Brazil, but we can change this to pretty much anything in this list. You'll also notice the United States is also missing from this list now, which is quite interesting. But yeah, it's just something to note anyway. And here's the same thing on the phone. Cool, isn't it? Oh, she's got no arms, look. Look at that, no arms. Bloody hell.